I'm Charlotte Radford and I'm Fastmarkets editor for minor metals, ores and alloys in Europe. Over the past 2 years, we've seen the lithium complex move steadily lower, and that's despite a rosier outlook courtesy of the new energy and especially the electric vehicle sector. Prices had hit multi-year highs in 2018 against a backdrop of anticipated future demand, but that encouraged a large supply response, while EV-related demand was still in its relative infancy. It looked like 2020 was going to be a pivotal year for EV uptake, but COVID-19 has been something of a setback, hitting global economies and buyer confidence. We've seen that translate into further pressure on lithium prices. The spot market, and specifically the spot market in China, is where we see the greatest liquidity, and it responds to that pressure first before the battery manufacturing hub of North Asia, and then Europe and the US follow suit. Prices paid against long-term contracts also reflect the trend, but the spot market or marginal ton is the first to respond to the market fundamentals of the day. Among other things, COVID-19 has demonstrated the length of the EV and battery supply chain and its dependence on Asia for battery production. As EV adoption gains pace outside of China, Western markets and especially Europe are likely to play a significant role in driving battery demand. As the battery supply chains grow in Europe and the US, a less China-centric market is possible. These low lithium prices are also discouraging further ramp-ups or investment in the sector. COVID-19 has shown us how quickly markets can change, and buyers are still keen to lock in their supply. For that, they are increasingly relying on price assessments we publish weekly to tie their contracts to. This ensures their prices reflect the twists and turns of the market as they ready themselves for hedges and risk management in the future. Going forward, we'll also be keeping an eye on stimulus spending and government relief measures. COVID-19 has put the green energy transition back at the forefront of politicians' minds once again, and the new energy sector should be well placed to benefit and in turn benefit the adoption rate of electric vehicles.
Thank you for watching. To learn more, register for our virtual event, Lithium Supply and Markets 2020, on October 26th through the 28th.